My name is Jerry. I work at Truck-Lite. I've been here for 24 years and now I'm on the tech line, and one of the questions we get quite often is, do you put the grommet in first or the light? So the answer to the question is we put the grommet in first, and I'll show you how. So first of all, we've already removed the old lamp from the system. We're going to install the new grommet and light. So here we go. Here's a grommet. Oh, another question. Sorry. Can I reuse the old grommet, or should I put a new one in? Well, you can reuse the old grommet as long as it's intact. It's not dried out, brittle, and cracked, or distorted, broken, ripped, anything like that. If it's in good condition, you can clean it up and put it back in. Here I got a new one with my kit, so I'm going to put this nice new grommet in because it's going to hold my new lamp and I don't have to worry about it falling out. So first of all, you just get the wire threaded through the center of the hole. Put the grommet in and just kind of start at one place and just work your way around. Push it in until you feel the slot in the grommet go around the slot in the metal, or the edge of the hole. Insert the plug into the lamp. Make sure it clicks and is fully seated, and then tuck your wires in and start again at one edge and just work your way around. Push it in, not too hard. You don't want to push it through. And that's it. Now this one's a little crooked. We're going to have to straighten it up. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next time.